welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, or welcome if you are new here. I am so happy that you're here today. So my idea today is to redecorate my entryway table area, and I would like to do like a boho style. I just love that, and I love the neutral colors. So a lot of decor that I found in my home was stuff that can fit into that boho style, so that was a plus. I'm gonna show you guys a few new things that I got. So after the new year, I just want everything to be fresh and clean and less cluttered. We had so much stuff here we've been getting rid of and donating. That's my idea, to make things less cluttered feeling. I hope I can give you some motivation, some inspiration, and I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. And also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos on my channel. And it's free. And it just helps my channel so much. I really appreciate you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. And I hope that you guys enjoy. So today I am going to be refreshing my entryway and living room. And as I mentioned in my intro, I reshopped my home for decor, and a bunch of stuff that I had found and forgotten that I had, I can reuse in the style that I'm going for. So just remember, you don't have to buy a ton of stuff to redecorate your home. And my best advice that I can give you is that when you are wanting to refresh or redecorate your home, is to find simple, timeless pieces that you can use every season and throughout the year, and they'll work in different areas of your home. So as I said, most of this stuff is just things that I already had, with the exception of maybe one or two pieces here that I did get, but they were very inexpensive. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. You guys are gonna have to let me know down below what you think.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like
So here I'm just using this cute basket that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and then I'm going to go in with a table runner. Yes, it's not a throw blanket, but the way that you fold it, it can actually pass as a throw blanket. So just remember that you don't have to go out and spend a lot. Try and reuse stuff that you have in your home. That pillow I've had for like 3 or 4 years already, and who would have thought that these little touches can really tie in the style so well.
I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa.
So now for a little DIY, I'm going to be putting this on my blanket ladder. This is all stuff that I already had. I just finished it off with some greenery. I just kind of broke it up a little bit and draped it over the top, and then I'll just tie it with a thin rope that I had. I think it turned out really nice.
It's steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. I can't believe that you.
Now moving on to the living room. This end table is new. I ordered it from Wayfair. I really like the light color and that it had the middle shelf on it. So I'm just going to be decorating it pretty simple, but I'm super excited because I finally got a coffee table book. I think that's what it's called. This one is Chanel and my husband ordered it for me and I love it. The pages are so nice. Then I went and I picked up this Joanna Gaines home book from Target just to put on top of it with that little decor with the greenery in it, and I think it all tied together nicely.
I know you feel it within. So go ahead.
So this is the new blanket ladder that I picked up. I also have one in my bedroom that I did a DIY last year. I can link that video up above. Those two throw blankets I had, as well as these two artificial plants with the jute hanging baskets. And there's my DIY. It fit perfectly like it was meant to be there.
For you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control.
So here is real life for you. Those are actually my Christmas curtains. I was thinking of leaving them up because they could also pass for Valentine's Day, being that they were red, but I just couldn't do it anymore. I needed to lighten up my space, and I ordered these panels from Walmart. They were super inexpensive, and I just love the soft gray leaf pattern that's on it. So I'm excited to show you guys my DIY tea bar. So while I have my coffee bar, I wanted to also make a designated space for tea on my kitchen counter, which is just a very small setup. So I went ahead and used that white tray from the Target dollar spot. That mug holder is also from Target. I'm going to reuse my oil and vinegar holder, and I'm going to use it for my tea bar. You guys will see in a minute here that the tea bags fit perfectly. Who would have thought that you could reuse something like that? And I was glad that I was able to create something different with it instead of throwing it out. So these ceramic sugar and creamer containers I had, but they are from Amazon. And then I'm just going to show you how I set up the tea bags. It actually fit perfectly in that space, and I'm so happy with how it turned out.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's sad?
These mugs I've had, they are from IKEA. The reason why I like them is because they're slimmer and they are perfect for this mug rack because they take up less room than a regular mug would. These honey spoons I saw off TikTok. I had to order them. I found them on Etsy. The idea here is that when you're stirring your tea, the honey melts into your tea, and I thought they were super cute and it would just be a perfect touch for this tea bar.
I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind.
And now I'll just add a finishing touch to my tea bar with another dollar spot find to the back of that cutting board, and I think everything tied in really nicely. And then I'll just add this heart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next one.